Today's lesson aims at comprehensively truly and understand the main attributes of biology. Discuss the problem in groups, construct a topic for a problem, and select, compile, and synthesize information for the oral presentation. These are our aims of today's lesson. Okay, and now look at this problem. Today's theme, you must guess the theme of our lesson. Today's theme is connect with this persons, people. And how do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? What is the differences? What are the differences between these people? How do you think? Are the same? No. They are different, yes? In what? How do you think? Singers and actors. Okay. And what else? For example, in this person, what is it in his face? Tattoo. And he or he. What is in his face? And how do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? The theme of our lesson. How do you think? Okay, the theme of our lesson is music and field images. Appearance. Their appearance. Okay, write down the date. Date 20. Let's answer to my question. What I'm sure that you listen to music. All of you listen to music, yes? And what kind of music do you like? Who wants to answer? Oh, sorry. 1 minute. I will give, for each right answer, I will give you these sweet coins. How many right answers, more coins you get. Okay? And now who wants to answer to this question? What kind of music do you like? Please, Karen.
I like hip-hop music and classical music.
Okay, thank you very much. Next, what else? Who wants to answer to this question? Asfar, please.
I prefer electronic music.
Okay, thank you. Asfar, please. Next. Which musicians do you like? Harry.
I like the singers Rain and Archie.
Okay. And next. What sort of image do they have? Image, appearance. What sort of image do they have?
Nadia has an usual look and extravagant outfit.
Usual. Okay. Thank you. Sarina, please take. Okay. That's enough. And the next question is new words connected with our theme. Please repeat after me. Dreadlocks. Dreadlocks. All of you, repeat after me. Dreadlocks. Dreadlocks. Sideburns. Sideburns. Mustache. Mustache. Earring. Earring. Bowler hat. Bowler hat. Tattoo. Tattoo. Piercing. Piercing. Braids. Braids. Suit. Suit. Dyed hair. Dyed hair. Lipstick. Lipstick. And necklace. Necklace. Please rewrite this word in your copybooks with translation. Dreadlocks. Ready. Quickly. Rewrite this word. Dreadlocks. Ready. Next task is complete this table. You must, let's do it for yes. You must divide this word into 4 categories. Makeup. What is makeup? Jewelry. Hair and skin. And clothes. Let's do it. Tangana, please stand up.
Earring, piercing, and necklace.
for hair and skin, please.
Dreadlocks, tattoo, piercing,
Piercing. Yeah. What else? And right here. That's all. And for clothes, please get this to the points. This is the Ayana. Ayana, for clothes, what words go on clothes? And wasn't it? A symbol for clothes. Bowler hat. Okay, thank you. Okay. And let's guess the word. Please. It is dread. Dana. Mansur, please. The next. I quickly.
A length of hair made up of 3 or more interlaced strands.
A length of hair made up of 3 or more interlaced strands. Interlaced strands. A length of hair made up of 3 or more interlaced strands. How do you think? Great. Okay, sit down, Mansur. Heavier. This oil. Have pause, I can't.
A strip of hair grown by a man down each side of the face in front of his ears.
A strip of hair grown by a man down each side of the face. Each side of the face in front of his ears. It is side. What side? Side. Side. Okay. Yeah. And now let's watch the video. You are going to watch the videos about these famous people. After watching, you will guess and name the actor and show or take from the board the picture, and on the other side there are questions. Start, please. What is his name?
What is Charlie Chaplin famous for?
Most
A bowler. A bowler.
Bowler with bowler hat. Okay, you are right.
Basically, it sounds like lipstick or braids. Lipstick.
Zarina, please.
After January.
Up.
After January.
Repeat and equal.
And what is his name? What is his real name?
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp. Okay, please.
In the practice of the current films, Johnny Depp's character has under an mustache,
Or
a red hair,
right here. What else he is like? So, Johnny Depp.
cover,
Please.
red and a mustache.
Okay. And now let's, for each group, I prepare complete with words. There, yes. The third group, please, who wants? Chandra, read the first one.
Can you help me cut my gold necklace on? Yes, of course. Look, I forgot the necklace.
Can you help me put on my gold necklace? Necklace, okay. Sit down, please. Next, Karina.
Look, I got a tattoo of my girlfriend on my arm. Yes, but the skin is one. She always wears that.
She loves.
She likes her clothing like this red color. She always wears red.
It's L. It's not I, it's L. Okay, thank you. Next, the third group, please.
John is doing Let's make grown and silent and not because he would like to look over.
Okay, have you told answer? Next is grammar. The flexible noun. Pronouns. Do you know the flexible noun? Возвратные местоимения. Знаете, да? Flexible pronoun, возвратные местоимения образуются путем добавления к личным местоимениям во время падежа him, her, them и притраченное местоимение my, our. Your означает self, для языка и self для множественного числа. Например, him plus self, himself. Он, сам. Так, them plus selves, themselves. Кто? Как идем? Them, themselves, кто? Они сами, да? Они сами. Так. Reflective pronouns. Возвратные местоимения переводятся на русский язык следующим образом. Частица «ся» или «с», которая придает глаголу возвратное значение. Себя, себе, собой, возвратное местоимение и сам, сама, саму, сами для выделения. Например, I asked myself. Я спросил себя. He fell over and hurt himself when he was running fast. Он споткнулся и ушибся, когда бежал за автобусом. Сам, да, споткнулся. They saw this picture themselves. Они сами видели эту картинку. Так, понятно, да? Возвратные местоимения. Так, personal pronoun. Личное, and reflexive, возвратное. I, myself, я. Я сама. You, yourself. Ты сам. He, himself. Он сам. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. You, yourselves. Вы сами. And they. Okay. Next. Please do this task in order, please. Not in order. Who wants first sentence, please? Not right in oral. I said, what please?
Our grade is British himself.
Okay. Next. Shraddha.
Laura serves as a male in our office.
Okay. Next.
She often talks to herself when she is upset.
Okay. Next. Mansoor.
John and I am not going to do the homework for you. You have to do it yourself.
Okay. What have we learned today? Let's that I will check your understanding on oil. And which name, whose name it was, that person will answer the questions. Okay?
Small stage.
Thank you. Next. Okay. Now, at the end of the lesson, you will write this, your impression of this lesson. Right? How was this lesson? Did you like it or not? Write your impressions about today's lesson. Write your impressions about the lesson. Count your points, please. And do it to this TV. Okay? That the first group collects 21 points. The second group collects 15 points, and the third group 16. Thank you. Our lesson is over. Your home does it says workbook page 28. Okay? Do your